everybody, it's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and this is a special little announcement in preparation for Stephen and Walter Live this coming Sunday, August the 17th, 2025 at 4 p.m. We thought we'd do a Q&A session, so if you've got some burning questions or just general inquiries about anything that you think you would like to hear our answer to, then please submit them to us either as email to my email address, which you'll find in the the link in the show notes, or just put them in as a comment right under this particular video. That would be great, and we'll be happy to answer them. Now, we'll answer anything to do about sewing, quilting, our lives, our travels, our preferences, our dislikes, whatever you want to ask. And that's what we're going to build Stephen and Walter Live upon this coming week. So please, we need questions. And that's why I'm doing this little special video right here to get you to ask me some questions, or get to ask Walter and I some questions. So, again, if you've got some questions, anything goes. Send them to me as an email, or put them in the comment section below this video. And that would be great. Thanks. Bye.